In this video, I want to talk about how you can connect Zoho Mail to your Shopify store. Now, the first step is you need to sign up for the Zoho Mail and you need to get your custom domain in there. So simply go over to the website, get the custom domain from in there, and just follow the instructions on how you can verify the domain and everything like that. Once you've done that, you want to come back to Shopify, and this is pretty simple what you need to do in here. Go to settings, and under settings you want to find notifications, and then you just simply want to type in the new mail that you've just verified from the Zoho Mail, put it in here, and just click on save. Once you have done this, you will also get the verify, so you need to verify it. And once that is done, you just have to go to the mail you just got and verify it from in there. And once that is done, it is now connected, and that is all. So as you can see, this is just a fake mail, and it's gonna, I can resend verification to this mail. But once you put your new one in and you send the verification, it's gonna go to the new one and then you can verify it. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.